Next is which products are quietly draining my cash flow and why haven't I faced them until now?
All right, so same thing, no? If you're not managing your inventory properly, you think na dapat nire-replenish all products. Your system might probably be every week order ka nito. Orderin mo lahat, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, even the slow-moving items, inire-order mo. Kahit na hindi naman dapat i-reorder. So, ibig sabihin, ano mangyayari? You'll have overstocking. And overstocking leads to overpayables. Alright? So, overpayables leads to problem in cash flow or cash position. Because you are getting products that is not selling.